Rolling.
Welcome back to the channel. Pilot Ryan here, Bobby K on the camera. We have the 55-inch OMP Decathlon Balsa plane, electric style, ready to fly. We've flown it twice. It's amazing. It'll fly on 3S or 4S. We're flying it on 3S, just the 2200, and the prop that it came with. If you want to go 4S, you have to prop it down. Check out the tech spec and ordering information through the link in the description. This thing flies really good. I just want to get it in the air and show them. Two different paint schemes, by the way, like liveries, which is nice. A more classic red you've seen, and then this one, which I actually like the best.
Red, white, and blue, baby.
Yeah, it flies so good. Let's get it up, man.
Yeah,
they got to
awesome.
check this out. I know a lot of guys have been super excited for us to finally get it in front of a camera, but I couldn't wait because it flies so good. And that's my only regret, is I haven't filmed every flight with it because it's been pretty dialed in. I have AS3X in here, but I'm gonna take off and give you a few circuits, just no AS3X, just like a clean channel. And I'm at like 45% elevator rate, 50 on the aileron, and 60 on the rudder.
Cool.
Let's go, man. 5 minutes seems appropriate on this.
All right.
Let's go grass right away.
Right on.
Okay. No sweat.
Well,
Look at that.
looking good.
And I'm just gonna go mellow, keep it close for a minute, couple passes. 55-inch wingspan, balsa receiver ready. It's got lights. Are you kidding me? It looks amazing and it flies really good. I'm at like half throttle.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Super smooth. And my rates are low, but they're still super effective. Like not much speed at all.
Look at that.
And you can really throw a lot of rudder into it. Now let's show them the speed on 3S.
Oh yeah, looking good. Yeah, it moves out, man.
It's smooth too, and this is no AS3X. And I know it's snappier, you know, if you jack the rates up. They talk about it hanging on a 4S, but it really will hang just fine on a 3S as well. So yeah, no AS3X on this flight, just like 5% expo on some pretty low throws. And it's dialed. No flaps, so just follow it in. Hold her off a little bit.
Yeah.
Just pretty gentle. But you could rip it too. Look at that. If I'm in the speed at all, just a little bit of rudder and it's climbing. You notice that?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a beast.
It's locked into a little knife edge action right there. Pretty easy, but if you get in the power, look, it climbs in it. Come about all the way around. And the vertical's gonna be pretty good as well for 3S.
Yeah, it is, man. Wow.
It's still going, it's slowing down, but I'm totally tickled with.
So you can do 4S on this?
Yes, you have to change the prop.
Holy smokes.
They talk about it on the website.
Dude, it's like awesome on 3S too.
I think it's a 12.8. I think it's a 12.8 on it right now, but the recommendation.
Ooh.
What was that?
I think there was a screw sitting over here that one of the other guys needed for their planes. I guess they left it last time. We just didn't know whose it was.
Oh, okay.
They found it though, I guess.
I'm glad. Give me, come on, bro. So anyway, 12.8 prop on this 3S powerhouse. And if you're gonna go, and I could be off by like a half pitch or something. If you're gonna go 4S, they're talking a 12.6. Makes sense. It just flies so good. And I mean, high wing, of course you're gonna need some down pressure to fly inverted, you know, but not a lot.
It looks great. What kind of time you been getting out of this?
5 minutes.
Oh, awesome.
And you have more room in there. You could put a larger pack in there. My 2200 3S is not all the way forward. And I got room behind it, in front of it, all kinds of space. So you could fly with a bigger pack, no problem. Look how smooth this is.
It looks awesome.
This is still just no AS3X, dude.
Hey, I've really been digging all the Balsa models lately.
Pushy. I love aerobatics with this. It's such a classic. So many guys have flown big versions of this.
Yes.
Oh, started the torque roll. Look at that.
I want this to warm up and have a run
I like the nose light.
It's nice, and then you got the wingtip lights too. So here we go with the grass.
Ooh,
Look at that.
butter.
Just nice. We'll take off again and we'll put it down on the hard surface this time.
Right on.
Full up stick so I don't nose it in. I'm at the end of my time. We'll check the sails too. Short final.
Keep the book up.
Beautiful.
How
Yeah.
nice is that? The OMP Decathlon 55 inchers. Nice.